Hello, what's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to take a deeper look on the Nauticus ICO. But before anything else, I would like you to make sure that you are visiting the right website. The official website for the Nauticus ICO is nauticus.io. And make sure to check if the website you are visiting is in HTTPS, because this HTTPS website allows you to keep your data privately. So any information you send in this website is secure and private. Aside from that, make sure that you are on this beautiful website. The site must be in blue theme. So let's start by going through their ICO token sale. Currently, they are having their public sale, and they accept Visa, MasterCard, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin Cash as a mode of payment for purchasing their tokens. And if you buy today, you will receive 10% bonus. And for your information, this ICO has already reached their soft cap, and they have accumulated more than $16 million in the ICO. And aside from that, there are already 469,017 people who registered in the Nauticus ICO. So, if you are hearing about this Nauticus blockchain, um, it comes to your mind that this ICO is about exchange. If you know what exchange is, then you shouldn't have to worry about researching it, because this Nauticus blockchain will be the first in the world to offer 100 crypto and 7 fiat currencies. So if fiat currencies meaning US dollar, euro, yen, Japanese yen, and many more. Aside from that, this ICO or this Nauticus blockchain is registered with Australian government regulator AUSTRAC and launching mid-August. So this means that this ICO got an approval from Australian government regulators. So there is no need to be thinking that this ICO is fake and this ICO is not legit. Don't think like that, because this ICO is legitimate one. So in order to check if this is a legitimate one, you can also visit the Australian government regulator website and confirm if this project is listed and registered on Australia. So, what does this ICO do? This ICO Nauticus blockchain will give solutions from different users such as consumer, business, and government. And what's good about this project is that it is already created in a easier manner, because this Nauticus platform provides user-friendly, efficient, and secure crypto banking payments and e-commerce. So this Nauticus blockchain or Nauticus ICO utilize the power of blockchain technology. Thus, your transactions inside the platform is secure and transparent. You can easily track your latest transactions, and also you can check your balance easily without any hassle. So as I have said a while ago, this ICO is a crypto and fiat currency exchange, and it also offers merchant payments platform, and also it is using global KYC verification for each user in the platform. And if you would like to ask who are the backers of the project, here are they: Whisper, Fundify, and Bellacre. Aside from that, they have a distinguished timeline of what must be done in the project. So in August, they will launch the crypto and fiat currency exchange. And in 2019, there will be a green blockchain mining center. It will be the time where Nauticus Blockchain established an environmentally friendly mining center that provides cheaper and faster transactions for Nauticus users, thus generates revenue to further expand the operations of the Nauticus blockchain. And when it comes to the e-commerce platform, they will also build it on 2020. And on 2021, they will create a merchant payments platform. So it means that this ICO is like an all-in-one package. You can see all of the cryptocurrency services in one ICO, and that is the Nauticus ICO. So why choose the project, or why choose the Nauticus blockchain? You choose the Nauticus blockchain because they are already rated on the different ICO rating websites, namely Wiser ICO, ICO Marks, ICO Bench, Trudex, and Top ICO List. So for now, if you are interested in investing on this platform or this ICO, you can try to create an account and sign in and then contribute on the Nauticus ICO. And if you have any more questions, you can ask their Telegram channel, and make sure that you are visiting the right channel. This is the right channel or the legit channel for the Nauticus blockchain platform. Here is the official link: t.me/Nauticus blockchain. So for now, I will end this video, and please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I might create another video about this project. Thank you.